Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a spam alert. Share this with everybody that you know that has a Windows computer. What happens? You get an email, and that email says that you've got critical Windows updates and that you have to click to get that critical update. And of course, it wants you to download something that will actually install ransomware on your machine. Do not follow the link. Do not click on anything. Microsoft never sends an email to say that there's a critical update. If there's a Windows update and it's critical, it's going to show up directly on your PC through Windows updates. Nowhere else. Microsoft does not send any emails. So please warn everybody, because apparently a lot of people are getting hit by this. They got scared because it tells them that, there's a critical update, and attached to the email, you got to click because it's really, really important, or else you can, get hacked. Well, the joke is that if you click on the attachment, you will get hacked. So please, be careful. Once again, Microsoft never sends you an email for Windows updates. Never. They are automatic for most of you in your Windows PC. And, if all else fails, you can actually go to your settings and go into the Windows Update and Security, and simply click and check for updates and see if something is there. That's the only way you should check for updates on Windows. The only way. Never click any email. Please be careful, and tell your friends and family that could be vulnerable to, seeing this email and maybe clicking on it, because it's very important to not do anything. And it's important to educate everybody that this is a hoax. It's a spam email that you will have problems if you click on it, and that Microsoft never does send an email to warn everybody. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.